Hi folks, and welcome to my channel. I'm Bill, and today I'd like to show you the new wheels that I just recently purchased and had put on my 2024 Toyota Tacoma that I purchased a month and a half ago. And I enjoyed doing research on wheels for this Tacoma, and when I came across these wheels, I just fell in love with them. They are a Stealth Custom Series, or an SCS wheel, in a gloss dark bronze color. They are 9-inch wide by 17 inches in diameter, and on them I had installed at Discount Tire the Michelin LTX MS2 in a 265/70/17, and the tire and wheel that came stock on the truck is a 7-inch wide by 17-inch diameter wheel with a 245/70/17 wheel or tire, and this one is just over 30 inches in diameter versus 31.6 inches in diameter. So it did bring up my truck a little bit. It fills in the fender well a little bit better. And let me tell you, the performance of these Michelin Defenders in a 265 are incredible. This truck just handles like a sports car. And the offset on these SCS wheels are a +20, and the hub, everything just comes out a little bit further on these trucks. So they say go with a positive offset, which I did. I was a little worried. I thought, oh, should I go with a 0 offset? Because on all my other Tacomas, our 4Runners, we've gone with a 0 offset or a -10 or -20, but this is a +20, and these actually poke out just a little bit further than the vehicles on that had the -10 or -20 wheels on them. So anyway, I really like this stance. Glad I went with the +20s, and I just wanted to show you these wheels. I really like them a lot. And one of the criteria of wheels for my truck is they had to be light, and so I was kind of hoping for an 8.5-inch wheel, but since these were only 22 pounds per wheel, I think these were the very lightest of all of them that I've searched. And there was another one that came in at a pound or two heavier, and then a lot of them came in at more than that. So I really like the weight of these. Comes in at 62 pounds for the total weight of the wheel and tire. The stock wheel, I weighed it and weighed 3 different wheels and tires, and they all came in at 54 pounds. So this setup right here is 8 pounds heavier. My fuel economy did go down 2 miles to the gallon. So I'm right at about 24 on the highway. You know, if I'm going up a steep grade and through canyons and stuff, you know, I'll average on a trip maybe 23, but you know, typically I'm 24, just a little over 24. If I'm going 70 miles an hour on a flat, you know, I can get you know, well above 24. But with this setup, I was 2 miles a gallon better. So if you're really after fuel economy, I was getting 26-27 miles to the gallon, and I calculate all of my my fuel economy with a calculator at each fill up, And with this tire and wheel setup, the computer is pretty accurate when I calculate it using the calculator. So anyway, live in the Rocky Mountains here in Utah, and we have to climb up a pretty good steep grade hill. And I've always loved these Defenders because of their grip, and the tread goes down, or the siping goes down to 2/32. And I probably had 7 sets of these over my lifetime on our Tacoma, our different Forerunners, and now this Tacoma. And I just won't go back to anything else other than if I need an all-terrain tire, then I'll go with KO2s or KO3s or Falcon Wild Peaks. Those tires just all do very well. They ride good, but nothing compares to the just on the highway how these Michelin Defender LTX MS2s drive and ride, and inspire confidence when you go over potholes. They don't bounce you around. They track straight on bumps and even big potholes. I'm just really have always been impressed with the performance, fuel economy, and everything of these Michelins. And I just wanted to show you my setup, and maybe your dream truck would have different wheels and tires, and that's fine. I just wanted to share mine and give you my fuel economy calculations over a month and a half of driving. So anyway, that's about it. And let me just tell you, I've taken these out in 6 inches of snow already, and taken them out in the neighborhood where the snow plows haven't even touched anything yet on the roads, and I am really impressed. So anyway, just hope this is informational for all of you, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.